Hello, hello, hello. Here we are once again at the man cave. You know, it really boggles my mind how I can get all of you in this one room at the same time and not feel claustrophobic. Anyway, this particular shout out goes out to a sweetheart of a friend. She's about as good as they come, with about the biggest heart of anybody that I've ever known. Many of you know her. Her name is Mel. And darling, this one's not only just for you, but it's also for Dino as well. So, and it's called Sounds of Love, a short story. So Mel, there you go. The night full with moon and speckled glass, crashing waves of a faraway ocean, crackling flames from a fireplace, dance for free on the ceiling as soft music filters the quiet. We sit curled by the fire, sharing a glass of wine, walking through life, being one to each other's being, your hand firmly yet gently placed within mine. We share quiet love. And we do love. Well, there you have it. Right here from the man cave. Thanks again for coming by. I really appreciate it. I don't know what time it is where you're at, but wherever you're at, you're there. Anyway, again, take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you all on the flip side. Bye-bye.